It doesn't matter what we do. It's the level of consciousness that we're in when we do it. It's why it's so important to always do our work and our healing, because when you're getting to acceptance, not saying goodbye forever, and the work of forgiveness, inner forgiveness, everything starts shifting. Now, this divine energy, the divine self, okay, has an avenue into the world through level 3, through the heart chakra, through that opening. Love sets all things free. So the intention to get your kids back from level 4 would never look like, if I do this, I get that. Okay, that will always be level 2. So that's if you're not setting them free, then there's a wound that needs to be addressed with you.